How you guys doing? I'm Mike Brody with Motor Sportsland, and I'm going to be talking to you guys today about this 2025 Astoria 260RK. It's a rear kitchen, smaller fifth wheel. Total length is almost 31 feet. It weighs about 8,500 pounds. GVWR is about 9,500 pounds. Let's see, let's go ahead and walk around the trailer. You got this nice, huge awning that comes out about 8 feet, probably about 18 feet long. It's got the nice fiberglass, vacuum bonded walls, aluminum frame construction. You got the nice solid step stairs that go up into the unit, and they do adjust. If you're on uneven terrain, you could just do the adjustments right here. Let's walk around this way. You got a lot of storage here. The first compartment here is your little beer fridge or condiment fridge. As we walk over here, we got a nice pass-through. It comes with a griddle and a table that you can mount on the outside back here. There's a quick connect propane that I'll show you in a minute. This unit does have solar on it. There's a solar charge controller in here that we'll show you on the video. You got your propane tanks. You got one on each side. You also have a portable solar panel port right here. If you want to bring out your own portable solar panel, you can do that right here. We'll walk around here to the front cap. You got a whole bunch of nice LED lights that'll shine up. Your storage in here. This is where they keep the spare tire, and the batteries will go up in here. All right, and we'll walk back around. And this unit is, if you can tell, it's got the slide out toppers. So all the slide outs, you already have the toppers on here, so you don't have to go and clean out your debris before you put your slides in. Here we got the pass through on this other side, your water bay, all of your gray and black tank outlets, poles are right here. This unit comes also with a auto leveling. So you just push a button, this whole thing will auto level for you. You don't have to fight with your wife about if you're level and do all that stuff. You just come out, open a beverage, push the button, and you're going to get a nice level on this. This isn't a pass-through, but it's a nice storage unit on this side as well. So you not only have the storage, but you have this storage as well. And you got a little light on in here as well. You got a 60,000 BTU tankless on-demand hot water heater on this unit. The tires come prepped for TPMS sensors. It'll keep track of the heat coming off the tires and the pressure. You can add that easily. You got nice windows in both of your slide out on the side of the slides, which you don't see that a lot. As you come back along here, you got a little four-way flat electrical and your 2-inch receiver. If you wanted to tow a little something back here, motorcycle, or you just even put a cargo rack there. Got a ladder to get up onto your roof. You'll have 2 ACs on this unit, a 15,000 BTU in the front area, and then your 13,500 in the bedroom. And as we come along here, you'll notice this is where you'd put your griddle that comes with this unit. And then you can hook it up to your quick connect propane grill or propane outlet right here. You can hook up a barbecue grill, your griddle, or a fire pit. You can also mount the TV out here and watch some TV, put the awning out, your camp chairs out here. Let's go into the unit and I'll show you inside as well. Now we are inside of this beautiful 260RK, which is a rear kitchen. You can see the kitchen's on the rear end of this fifth wheel. You have a nice big 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt fridge. This will run off your 12 volt batteries, which is why we give you bigger solar panels on this. Got your nice sink back here with a little spray port hose. Back here in the corner, you got a wireless charger for your phone. And also you can pull that up for the tower of power. Plug in your coffee maker or your charge your phones there. You got a lot of storage back here. Underneath the sink, you got 4 drawers right here. They're all soft close. You got a nice oven with these little safety features. You know, if one of your kids accidentally pushes on this, it's going to turn red. You can see which one's on. Nice, decent sized oven. You can throw some pizzas in there, some cookies. Little drawer down here. Got your microwave, decent sized microwave. Cook some popcorn up in there. The TV, which is on a swivel bracket. You can pull that out and kind of watch it from different angles. Fireplace. This actually is putting out a bunch of heat. Also make it whichever color you want. Got storage above. Nice countertops for this small unit. Nice recliner seats right over here. You can sit down, and both of these do recline. Got some storage up in here. You got a little bit more storage kind of hidden away back here. This pops up, and you can throw a couple of pillows or blanket in there. Let's see, you can put this table down. This table does go down, make this into a little bed. You can swivel this around as well, make it into a little desk or what have you. Lots of storage cabinets up here, soft clothes. All right, let's step up in here to the bathroom and the bedroom. All right, we're in the bathroom now. Nice porcelain toilet, got lots of room, elbow room. Nice size shower. I'm about 5'9". I got plenty of height in here. Let's see. Got your medicine cabinet, mirrors, a little bit of storage down here. Nice little sink. Go into the bedroom. Nice size bedroom, huge residential king size bed here with plenty of storage underneath that you can put your pillows, extra pillows, sleeping bags, blankets, whatever you want, chairs. A couple of nice windows on each side of your bed. USB ports on both sides. You got an AC in the bedroom. Nice size closet. There's kind of a 3-way storage back here. And then over on this side, we have kind of like a little mini dresser. We'll have 3 drawers down here and a huge closet up here that has, it's prepped for washer and dryer. So you can do a little combo washer and dryer in there, or just use it as a closet. Nice little unit. Would love to show you this unit or any of our other fifth wheels here at Motor Sportsland. My name is Brody. We're at 4001 South State Street in Salt Lake, and we'll see you next time.